Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between the brand new DJI ROMO P and the Roborock Saros 10R. These two robot vacuums are pushing the boundaries of smart home cleaning, but they do it in very different ways. The ROMO P is a futuristic machine with a fully transparent design, jaw-dropping suction power at 25,000 pascals and drone-inspired navigation that uses a dual fisheye camera and solid-state LiDAR for near-flawless movement. On the other hand, the Saros 10R is all about refined performance, featuring Roborock's award-winning Starsight navigation, a space-saving ultra-slim frame, and a unique duo-divide dual-brush system designed for maximum pet hair pickup and deep carpet cleaning. But the real question is, which one deserves a place in your home? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two robot vacuums and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's kick things off with design and build quality, where DJI and Roborock take completely opposite paths. The ROMO P goes all in on sci-fi flair with a fully transparent outer shell that exposes every internal wire, sensor, and circuit, giving it a futuristic, almost collector-grade look. It's bold and attention-grabbing, but it also comes with trade-offs. Standing at 9.8 centimeters tall, the ROMO P may struggle to clean under low-profile furniture like beds and couches. On the other hand, the Roborock Saros 10R embraces a more minimalist and practical design, measuring just 3.14 inches tall thanks to its flat build and lack of a top-mounted LiDAR turret. That lower height allows it to reach tight spaces with ease. It also features flexi-arm side brushes that help clean into corners and edges more effectively. While the ROMO P is visually stunning and feels like a tech centerpiece, the Saros 10R edges ahead in terms of practical design, space accessibility, and cleaning flexibility. So if you value a robot vacuum that fits under furniture and handles corners better, the Saros 10R is clearly the smarter design choice. Moving on to navigation and obstacle avoidance, both vacuums showcase next-level intelligence, but the way they get there is very different. The ROMO P taps into DJI's drone heritage by using dual fisheye cameras combined with a solid-state LiDAR sensor, allowing it to build ultra-precise 3D maps and maneuver gracefully around objects, even in dim lighting. Its movement is fluid, accurate, and feels almost autonomous. On the other hand, the Roborock Saros 10R uses the company's latest Starsight navigation, which combines dual solid-state LiDARs, AI object recognition trained on over 100 household items, and even a vertical light beam to enhance detection accuracy. What truly sets it apart is its perfect score 24 out of 24 in standardized obstacle tests, proving its ability to avoid shoes, cables, furniture, and other clutter with precision. It also allows you to adjust obstacle sensitivity based on your home layout. While the ROMO P looks and feels like cutting-edge robotics, the Saros 10R's raw obstacle dodging performance and deeper AI customization give it a strong edge. So if you value a robot that avoids messes flawlessly and adapts to different layouts, the Saros 10R stands out. When it comes to actual cleaning performance, both vacuums bring serious flagship power, but their strengths lie in different areas. The ROMO P delivers a stunning 25,000 pascals of suction, making it one of the most powerful robot vacuums available today. It comes with two interchangeable main brushes, one made of rubber fins that's great for resisting hair tangles, and another with mixed bristles for tackling deep pile carpets. It adjusts suction levels automatically based on the surface type and runs quietly thanks to an internal muffler system. On the other hand, the Saros 10R counters with Roborock's Duo Divide brush system, which uses two rollers and a central gap to drastically reduce tangles. In testing, it picked up 100% of long hair without clogging and scored 92% in pet hair pickup on carpet. It also pulled 80% in deep carpet cleaning, beating the industry average. On the mopping side, the ROMO P uses high-pressure nozzles and 5 newtons of downward pressure for uniform coverage, but the Saros 10R adds smarter mop modes and an edge detecting system that cleans baseboards better. That means if you prioritize a balanced vacuum and mop combo that handles pet messes and floor transitions intelligently, the Saros 10R is hard to beat. When it comes to docking, maintenance, and smart features, these two models go in completely different directions. The DJI ROMO P features a transparent dock that looks like it belongs in a spaceship, complete with dual-sealed cartridges, one for cleaning solution and one for floor deodorizer. It uses hot water between 70 and 75 degrees Celsius to clean the mop pads, dries them with hot air, and even flushes the dock with self-cleaning nozzles. It's beautiful, but the cartridges are disposable and not refillable, which could raise long-term costs. On the other hand, the Saros 10R counters with a plumbing-compatible dock that can auto-refill water and empty waste, basically creating a fully hands-off cleaning cycle. It also supports fast charging, mop drying, and squeegee-based self-cleaning, while its Roborock app includes pet search features, AI interaction, multi-map support, and flawless voice control. The ROMO P's app is functional and even includes two-way audio and live video, but still has a few rough edges. That means if you prioritize seamless automation, easier maintenance, and more polished smart features, the Saros 10R offers a smarter and more future-ready ecosystem. As for my final verdict, both the DJI ROMO P and the Roborock Saros 10R represent the cutting edge of what robot vacuums can do, but they serve slightly different types of users. The ROMO P is ideal for tech enthusiasts who want something futuristic, eye-catching, and incredibly powerful. Its drone-grade navigation system, ultra-strong suction, and transparent aesthetics make it feel like a gadget straight out of a sci-fi movie, and it absolutely delivers in terms of raw tech appeal. But the Roborock Saros 10R is simply the more balanced, reliable, and practical option. It outperformed the ROMO P in real-world navigation tests, handled pet hair and carpet better, offered more intelligent mopping options, and came with a smarter, more maintenance-free docking setup. So please don't forget, like to this video and subscribe to our channel if you want more tech comparison like these in the future.